Phishing isn't just a digital annoyance, it's a formidable threat to your organization's security and can cost money. Many remain unaware of its true nature, leaving them vulnerable and increasing risk to your company. Without awareness, your organization stands at significant risk, and with awareness or training and including the Arrakis Consulting anti-spam technology stack, we can help reduce your stress level. Phishing comes in various forms: general, spear, whaling, and phone phishing. Each targets individuals differently, making human-based phishing more prevalent and dangerous. General phishing casts a wide net, while spear phishing narrows down targets. Whaling focuses on high-level executives, and phone phishing exploits voice communication vulnerabilities. As a company that does penetration testing, we are very experienced in creating phishing exercises to test a company's security posture. However, we can also supply technology that will help make phishing increasingly more difficult for bad actors. What makes a phishing email successful? Enticing subjects, personalization, and strategic timing. These elements deceive targets into revealing sensitive information. Phishers meticulously research their targets, crafting emails that appear legitimate. Timing and personalization are crucial, making these attacks hard to detect. User awareness is your strongest defense against phishing, but should not be completely relied upon. Evaluate your organization's current training programs to ensure they're effective, but implementing supporting technology can also greatly reduce risk and effort of having to deal with phishing. Employees play a crucial role in preventing phishing attacks. Empower them with knowledge and tools to recognize and report suspicious activities. While employees should be trained, you shouldn't rely on training alone to protect the company. Properly deployed technology that is also included into the end user's email client can greatly help a company. In essence, being able to turn your employees into sensors will help. Track and measure phishing incidents to understand your organization's vulnerabilities. Conduct regular phishing exercises to gauge awareness and improve defenses. Different phishing types have varying success rates. Understanding these metrics helps tailor your training and response strategies effectively. Arrakis Consulting offers expert guidance to enhance your phishing defenses. Our third-party assessments, training programs, and managed services are designed to fortify your security and reduce risk. Schedule a consultation with Arrakis to evaluate your current defenses and explore tailored solutions. Together, we can build a more secure future. Reach out to us by emailing sales@arrakisconsulting.com. By partnering with Arrakis, you'll gain insights and strategies to protect your organization from phishing threats. Let's secure your digital landscape today.